Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda. Today's video is going to be a Zara try on haul. Please do subscribe to the channel so you can see more of me, more of my hauls. Follow me on Instagram. My name is Payda101 so I can see more of you. And let's get straight into this video. Okay, so the first item that I got from Zara was a white denim dress. I've actually never seen a white denim dress before. I've got blue ones, I've seen black ones, but I've never seen white. So I thought this would be really nice and different. I like the fact that it's got long sleeves. Again, very different. Most denim dresses are like, you know, short sleeved. The white is very odd, but really perfect for spring. I would probably pair this up with just some sandal heels, some, you know, really nice bright color, maybe like a yellow, and then really, you know, get the accessories going. It's got two pockets in the front and the button detail all the way down. It's more of an off-white than a true white. Denim quality is really good. It's a good thick denim, so it's not going to be appropriate when it's like really hot in the UK. Remember last year was like 30 degrees. Not for that weather, but nice like spring day or cool summer's day, it would be perfect, you know, maybe like just for like a barbecue or something with family. I got this in an extra small and it was $29.99. Okay, so here is that white denim dress on. The buttons are kind of a bit annoying. I probably would potentially size up because it's not a bad struggle, but I don't know. I probably would leave it like this. You know what? I probably would keep this size and not button it up all the way up to the top, because I probably would just prefer it just to be a bit more loose, a bit more comfortable, and most likely I will be able to go all the way up to the top without too much issues, just because I do have a bit of a bust, so sometimes it does poke out a little bit, but everywhere else feels great, feels comfortable. Very different with the long sleeves. You generally get the short ones. But yeah, it feels good on, feels comfortable. As I say, the material is thicker, so it's not really suitable for summertime. More for like spring, even like this season, like this weather, like February, March, because it's not quite spring yet. We're still in winter, but it's getting like a bit warmer, isn't it? If you notice, like I'm so happy that winter was not that bad. Like we made it, we did it. But yeah, like this. And the next thing I got was a salmon crop top. I like this color. I just think it's really vibrant, very perfect for spring and autumn as well. Doesn't it give you autumn vibes? I know autumn you can wear crop tops in autumn, because this one is long sleeve, so this is something that can be worn all year round in your wardrobe. I really love the color of it. Very nice and different. Just a nice basic top. You know, wear a nice big jacket. Remember that grey masculine jacket that I got from the last Zara haul? Probably just match up with that, and then some like black jeans. Just a nice little casual outfit. Got this in a size small and it was $19.99. But have you noticed the bottom has like a laser cut and it's got this kind of like wavy effect? I think that's just really nice and different, really cool. Okay, so here's that salmon crop top. I'm actually not feeling it. Didn't notice the arms. Can you see? They're a bit weird, aren't they? They are cute, but I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. I don't like showing off my belly that much, and I just prefer when tops are a bit longer. Like this one, you can definitely tell it's just continuously like rising up. So for that reason, it's probably a no for me. The reason why is I don't work out, so sometimes my stomach is not always flat, so I don't want to have to work out and like, you know, it's like, because if I have a croppy, that means I have to work out, because I don't want to like, you know, I want to look cute in it, but I don't want to work out. So I want to just wear like long tops that just cover up my stomach and all the flab, but yeah, unfortunately it's a no. So I got this like style of a top, skirt and a dress. Saw it online, it looked really nice. Now I see it in person, I hate the material and the whole look of it. I don't even know what to say about this. It looked nice online, but the material is just weird, like, and the colours just looks horrible. I don't like it. I don't really have anything positive to say about it. I'll try it on. It may look nice on, but it's a straight return for me. I just hate it all. And unfortunately, I got the little mini skirt. The skirt design is super cute, but the material is just a complete letdown. The skirt's in a size small and it's about £20, and the dress was in a size small and it's £25.99. Then it came with this crop top. See, this would have been like a cute outfit, but because of the material, it just makes it look trash. Like, I just completely hate everything about the material. What can I explain about it? Just, can you see it yourself? Like, it just looks nasty. It doesn't look nice at all. The top was £17.99 and a size small. Complete waste of money, sorry for me, because I'm returning all three of them. I hate all three of them. Okay, so here's that dress on. I was putting it up and I hated the material, but having it on, I actually like it. I know, I'm just a crazy woman, but I'm a woman, so I gotta change my mind. But I actually really love it. It's actually so comfy on. Still looking at the material, it's just, I think when you're holding it up, it just looks horrible. But now I have it on, it's so comfy. Like, I just really like it. Not gonna lie, I really like this dress. Really, really comfy. And I actually like the colour, like looking down at it. Ooh. This two-piece I'm not feeling as much. I do like the skirt. Really nice, comfy. And it's got a good design to it, but the top is just a no for me. I hate the top. As a two-piece, it's kind of cute, but I just don't like the top for me. Just frumpy, you know, it's just not my style. But the skirt, really, it's such a really comfortable material. I was holding it up thinking, oh my god, this is horrible, but when you actually wear it, it's so nice on your body, and it's got a great stretch to it. Like, it doesn't feel like you're wearing a clothing item. It just feels like you're just, you know, comfortable, and it just feels like you're just walking around, you know. It's very nice and light on your skin. But the skirt is a yes, top is a no, but I'll probably end up returning both because I don't know what I would wear with the skirt by itself is enough for me to keep it. It's just not cute enough for me. Last but not least was this really nice long dress. Again, not sure how I feel about the material. When I looked at it online, it didn't look exactly like this, but it does look really pretty still in person. Love the colour fits, like a really like a nice beigey colour, or like a really light pink. Well, I guess beige. I'm being a bit blind. I got this in a size small and it's £25.99. I like the design of it. Can you just see? I like that pattern. Really, really nice. Soft material. And then super, super long. And then at the back we've got this high slit. Yeah, what a fun little item. Okay, so here is that dress on. A really nice maxi dress. Love the print of it. Really, really gorgeous. Great feel of it. Personally for me, I just wouldn't wear it. Although it looks gorgeous, it feels nice, I just can't see myself ever wearing it. It'll end up in my closet and then I'll end up having to sell it like in a couple months time when I do my declutter. So, but it's a great piece. If you think you're a person that could wear this, definitely get it. Sorry, you can see my underwear. I'm wearing pink ones today. Let me show you the back as well. But yeah, as I say, great dress. I'll get up close so you can see that detail on the side as well. Okay guys, that's the end of my Zara haul. I really do hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like some of the pieces that I ordered. I know I did not like that the whole 3-piece that I got, like complete waste for me. But subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you lovely people very, very soon. Bye!